professional networking tips. How to network. I'm gonna give you 8 tips. Here we go. There are 3 main sections I'm going to talk to you about: how to prepare beforehand, how to act while you're there, and then how to follow up appropriately. Tip number 1, fresh breath. As you're preparing to go to this event, make sure you brush your teeth, have some gum. If you're coming straight from work, do some mouthwash, do a Listerine strip, do some gum, whatever you got to do. You don't want to have death breath. That's the worst thing. You know what I'm talking about? It's like they were sleeping all night with their mouth open. They hadn't brushed their teeth in a month. You smell that person's breath, you avoid them at all costs. Don't be that person. Tip number 2, if you're a guy, shave or comb your hair, or freshly buzz it if you're me, okay? Make sure you're looking good. If you're a woman, maybe that means, it definitely probably means brushing your hair. And if you do makeup, then do makeup, but just make sure that you are presentable. We want to make sure that we are the type of person that we want to talk to. I don't want to talk to someone that looks like they just kind of rolled out of bed and came to this networking event. That's not an influential person to me. That's not who I'm trying to help you become. That's not who I'm trying to be. And so I want to make sure that we are the people that we want to associate with. Number 3, iron your clothes. Make sure your clothes look nice. This is a pressed shirt. This one, I don't think I took to the cleaners. Actually, I just ironed it myself. It's an amazing thing. It's called an iron. And it takes about 5-10 minutes per shirt. And you can watch your favorite YouTube channel. And you can iron your shirts while you're doing it, right? You can look good, or take it to the cleaners. Spend $1.50, get your shirts pressed, and look nice. You want to look your best. And number 4, prepare an elevator pitch. Whatever it is you do, make sure that you can say it in 20 seconds or less. You don't want to drone on. You don't want to annoy people and just blah, 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 blah about whatever it is you do. Have an elevator pitch before you go to that networking event. Okay, now what do you do when you're at the event? Be interesting. Overall, be interesting. How do you do that? Ask questions. I got a deal with a bank doing just this. I was at an event. I just kept asking questions of this COO of an organization. I just kept asking her questions. I knew she was the COO. I'm talking to her. I didn't say a thing about myself. Just kept asking questions. There were no more questions to ask. And I knew one of 2 things was going to happen. We were gonna walk away, or she was gonna ask me about myself. It went silent for about 10 seconds, and then she said, "So tell me more about your business." And I answered those questions, and within a week, I sent her a proposal, and within a month or 2, I was doing business with them. It's beautiful. Be interested in the people that you're talking to. I want you to think deep, not wide. Think deep, not wide. Meet 2 or 3 people. Don't give your card to 20 or 30 people. We've all seen it. At every event, there's a person that just walks around. They just like shove their card in your pocket, in your hand, sometimes it's annoying. They give you like 2. They're like, "I learned this thing. I give you 2 cards." And they just like shove these cards down your throat. And it's like, look, I don't even know who you are. I have no interest in you. I'm going to throw your card out either on my way out of this place, or it's going to go in my car. And when I clean my car next, it's going to be thrown out, because I don't even know who you are. I have no connection to you. I just have your garbage, your trash, your card. No. Think deep. Think of a couple people that you can ask questions. You can be interested in them. You can ask about what they do. You can ask follow-up questions. Questions to the questions. 2 more tips. Here we go. So to finish strong, within 24 hours of meeting this person and having a meaningful personal connection, going deep, not wide, connect with them on a social media platform. I recommend LinkedIn. Connect with them on LinkedIn. Make that connection to solidify the connection that you had in person that day. And then the final tip, send them an email within 24 hours referring to something that you talked about in your conversation. This might be, "Hey, I thought about what you were saying about your business, and I think Joe might be a good connection for you here. I want to make an introduction through email." And you make the introduction, or ask them a follow-up question, or just say, "Hey, I want to thank you for your time today. It was very good to meet you. Maybe we can grab coffee." Once again, my name is Drew, and I've had the opportunity to hang out with highly influential people throughout my career. And it's my desire to take what I've learned from them, the actions, the activities, the qualities of these highly influential people, share them with you, and help you increase your influence. Because if you increase your influence, you'll realize your dream.